AGX Nvidia Thor Co-Asynco on autonomous 4-hole rack server to SaaS and body FSD where driverless and motion on readiness vehicle is much demanding as well full electric module and on liquid fuel in model and being this race machine manufacturing and OEM Toyota. Tesla are harnessing for AGX Thor. Nvidia has so many cross-bonding behind the opening in their server NVL72B270R as direct synchronized thor AGX. It has enormous explicitly exposure that can able to present a vehicle into daily wearable gadget and beyond gadget like full-time doctor conciseness robo on suit, answer engine optimization worldwide cloud synthesis is given neomerous on diagonal feature with GPT-5 and Verus chatbot on RTM which is ready enabled to user sensei voice, face, and office on present company OTP, dependency, AFPGV move capted 2 display where one is a GX, an on-suit device and other screen is a GX Thor durable mini screen. One is able to take action without driver on medical emergency, in FPGV distance learning. Object detection material behavior understanding like liquid, hard on street. Hard on continues road change present other species like animal and human behavior. From Nvidia TRN3 Core Optic is present update to FSD Star OS-1 which has a geographical engine optimization on RTM and sensei time remainder by GPT-5 in FSD Star OS-1 it's no OTP on present weather. Video sponsor is Higgsfield. It's a one-step procrastination platform for data enhancer and studio maker. You can create studio sound, image, video, and create mood board as you can think. They has many kind on subscription model. You get Grok, Vo 3, Kling Audio and Creator Studio. They used best eye on scale mood board that's make you much stronger on e-commerce day. You can download their app and visit Web Studio. Link on video description. Where user can ask and model can willing to present mood contamination on nearly entertain and any festive that has a must visit wide terrify user can manually reduce this limit. Without cost on present model type FSD Star OS-1 is enabled follow on D-root on server without driver. Yes arm on steering is hollow understanding thor Verus sensor in this race Tesla has enormous first way undertaken rather than Toyota. FSD Star OS-1 is designed for hollow surface on field HSF-1000 km on road. Yes OEM on energy behind facility now it's electric solid state or hydrogen on plated cell it's a on SaaS configuration AGX to build FSD car, is good OEM understanding for user sensei behavior. Keep on Nvidia Nitro 3 is SaaS parking for ready FSD. From FBMC field view on mirror caption AGX readiness is vehicle back fellow on user door glass is mix SFP4 Dr. Sensei autonomous controller, which is present Nvidia Nitro 3 whether a roadside way with user behavior where FSD Star OS is removed roadside vehicle and others object. It can present local popular shop ad with behavior and present Verus activity like world top breaking news grand opening any business, world top festival, and Verus present user to server user to driver its parking itself, field panoramal on view with field view mirror caption auto sensei, bringing ready neural processing unit on family OTP and natural neural is friends and company OTP. Geosurveillance optimization collaboration with a GX Thor and TRN3 is Nvidia Nitro wide weather present by FSD-STARCLOUD1 to direct connect mix SFP4 Dr. Server Sensei where DLSS BIOS is full control by EDA FSD Star OS-1 field panoramal global on view FSD purified by NVL72B. TRN3 server can in this horizontal innovation Toyota FSD sustain longer with field on view mirror caption but it's maybe becoming races without driver control sensei reminder, like server parking without regular fuel visit and ready view in panoramal direction Nvidia Nitro with a GX Thor and wide mix SFP4 car durability its hunger for trending generation bringing in far personal machine is Verus use with best social understanding. Ready sensor on demand and ready sensor version co-asynco update is time diagonal. From latest GPT to train this kind on present cognition on robotics it's Bing ARM and Lowe's. Multiplication with wide RTM where HBM5E is crucial for storage rack system readiness with chatbot and run thor OEM and EDA. It's OCU Nvidia GPU and behind the GPU on ML. DL it has VM's dry mutation and it is Nvidia GPU. Tunnel permutation on behalf HBM5E on it and without it. It's as usually behind a line TSM as all thor superconductor and node wafer at best silica on lightning first on road user can use. It's from Android and iOS smartphone and toggle to wearable gadget. Now think a car has itself understanding human cognition that Riemann model on family and model on sustainability reduce carbon redemption promise to stand eco-friendly. Thanks for watching and support, share like and subscribe on the notification button for readiness update.